So you can see, click on register, then you register. Let me put my details. So once you are doing, just click on register, then you log in your details, you click on sign in. So it's going to show interface like this. If you are using phone, try to put it on desktop so that you can see everything. So your interface is going to show up like this. Just click on this three line at the top. So now you need to deposit. You need to deposit to get your number. So let me click on. So you need to deposit. Let me just click on deposit. So this is how you fund your account. You can get number there cheaply. For those of you that want to create many WhatsApp accounts, this place is a good site for you to have many WhatsApp, because one number costs you 0.1 cents. You understand? So with your $1 you can get many WhatsApp numbers. So okay, you can actually deposit through cryptocurrency or US dollar. You can use your card. You understand? You can use Nigerian naira. You see Nigerian naira. You can use either card method. I think it's only card that is available here. Then you put the amount that you want to deposit. That means you need to put your card. You understand? And they will remove charges. So the best way for me, I think I'll just go with either I have US card. Let me see. I have US card that I can use. I have US card, or you can go with cryptocurrency. You understand? You can just go with cryptocurrency. Then you choose order. You choose the one that you want to. Okay, country. I'm going to choose Nigeria. Do we have Nigeria here? Nigeria in cryptocurrency. So that means we are going to go with either your Nigerian, you deposit with your card, but for me I will just go with US card, US dollar. So I just choose Nigerian naira now. So now I just want to deposit $5, or I can even deposit $3. You understand? And once I deposit $3, the amount I'm going to receive is 2.65, because they will remove charges. You understand? So let me verify I'm not a robot. Then I will click on deposit. Okay, let me click on deposit to see the next interface. So something like this is going to pop up. Your payment usually secured through blah blah blah. Let's this thing load. So you can see the amount I'm going to pay, 4,001 something. Then this interface, if you want to use Nigeria card, this is when you are going to change. Maybe you are just going to use US. I have US card with me. You understand? So you can just fill the name, fill the zip code, blah blah blah, and everything. Well, if you have, let me just click on Nigerian. I don't want something that are complicated. So this video is just to show you guys. So if you have Visa card or MasterCard or another one, but they accept Visa and MasterCard. You understand? So that's how to deposit. Well, my MasterCard is not working right now. I would love to go with the crypto. If I see, let me check. But Nigeria is not among the crypto. I don't know why. I don't know why Nigeria is not. I don't know why Nigeria is not among, and I don't have. Okay, let me just click on orders. Then you choose your either. Let me just choose LTC method. So what you just need, you copy your wallet address, or So if you want to use the cryptocurrency, just put your country as orders, just put it like that. Then this is your ATC wallet address. Just copy your wallet address, then you send $2. You understand? Minimum of $2. Then or you scan this code and it will enter. So let me just do this on my second phone. So I just made payment of $3 worth of ATC. So let me just refresh. Let me refresh my page. So I will just test WhatsApp for you guys to see what I'm saying. So if you look at the notification, you see your payment has been posted, you have received blah blah blah. You can see that I now have my balance here. So if you look at the top, I have 3.5. So I'll just go to order or quick order, any place, just go anywhere you want to. Then I want to United States. Then the service, let me just do for WhatsApp so that you guys can actually see. Let me just quickly do for WhatsApp. Then WhatsApp, I say restricted. We are currently not accepting WhatsApp, so we are not accepting WhatsApp. Let me choose okay, let me just choose survey. Survey / top survey, any other one, or survey strike, survey pop, anyone that you want to do, anyone. So let me just click on survey or top survey, anyone. Then that means I'm going to receive code on any survey or top survey itself, any other one. So they have 8,000. Then you click on the quality that you want. So I just want one number. Then you select, make sure that you select the highest the select highest successful rate. Then you can even put your own price. So the price range is from 0.1 cent. You understand? Then you just click on quick purchase. This is how to purchase the order. So your order has been successful. You can see it has been successful. So if you don't receive, you can see it at the down. If you don't receive, if you don't use this number, like you don't use it, you have not used it to receive code, you can actually click on refund down here and your money is going to add up to your balance. So let me just go to cancel order, clear order, achieve order. You can see it down here. I'm coming, click on that 3 line again. You click on dashboard. This is where you can see your end, your spend, your verification, your deposits. So you can see once you use this number, you can see awaiting SMS. You can see the time is reading. So once you use it, once you use the number, let me quickly just use it on one so that you can see what if you don't use the number, you can click on refund and your balance is going to go back to your listing. So now this is the number down here. So I'm just going to go to the site that I want to use it. So this place is actually good. It's very, very good. And I think once you use the number, you can retain the number, like you can renew the number if you want to use that exact number again. For those of you that want to use it for survey, you know, when you want to register your survey, you need to enter your number. Probably when you want to withdraw again, they will need to verify, so you can still renew that particular number. But let me try it on one of my survey here. So let me just copy the number, or I don't know, maybe this can be copied, but let me just minimize. So guys, I decided I actually want to test it for Atapo. You understand? So for you to know that if you don't use the number, they can actually refund your money. So if you check here now, you see that my balance is 3.13. I just want to show you guys something. So since I finally decided I want to test the number on Atapo, Then I will just click on refund since I don't use the number. Then I'll click on OK, and then you can see they will refund my money back. So if I click on my balance now, if I click on this three line, you can see my balance, my money is I refund. So I will now click on another this thing, United States. I will now choose Atapu now since I've concluded I want to test it on Atapu. So I'll just click on Atapu. You can see one, then I'll just click on the IELTS rate, blah blah. So it's still is 0.12. Then I'll click on purchase. So you see it's down here. So now I'm going to use the number on my Atapu. Let me quickly do that. So now they have sent the code. Let me just go to the website to get the code. So once you click on the awaiting code, you can see this is the code 4890. So I'll just put it 4890. So let's see. You can see it is completely successful. Then I will go ahead with my survey. So this Atapu is one of the best survey right now. Let me quickly do this. See, I hope you can see the number is actually good. If the number is not good, I'm not going to receive any survey here. I hope you can see the number is like 100% good. So let me now go to let me minimize to the app. So this is the app. So if you want to, so let me just minimize. Let me minimize. Maybe we can actually reuse that particular number. So this place is a site that is very cheap to get any of your this thing. So I just checked that. I see that you cannot reuse it, so it's just one time payment. But that Atapu is not going to ask for it again if I want to withdraw. So this is just how to get your cheapest number. If you get value from this video, make sure that you follow, you subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. So guys, today we are going to talk about where we can get a cheapest US number or UK number at very low at 0.16. So in this website you can get many numbers as you want at cheapest rates that you can ever see in anywhere. So if you find this video useful, make sure that you subscribe, like and comment. So let's begin with today's topic.